Okay, now I will go to surface, surface property. Here also you can go, or you can go here also. Okay, and here I will go for contours and triangle. Now I will go back to contours, this one. So design in the sense it will be colorful. See, it is having green and red colors. Now, if you want to display the contour label, you can select the surface and go to add label and then contour single. So single in the sense only for one contour we will get the at one particular place we will get the elevation. So contour is something connecting the similar elevation. That's what it is. Or you can go for a multiple. Multiple in the sense you need to go for a point from this point to this point. For example, from this point until this point. Can you able to see multiple contour labels you are getting? All these things it's helpful.
Yeah.
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 And contour multiple at interval, which means like all contour it will get. For example, I am just going to put like this, and then okay, in all the contour, every 100 we are getting like this. So these are all the labels. Okay, so everything you have here.
How to edit the label styles?
Okay, we can do that. We can select the label. Once you select the label, you will get the green window. This is for,
That's
yeah. From here, you can go for edit label text, clear label text, edit label text, and you need to select the label. Then you can able to do here. See here it will go now. Here you can go here format, and you can go for bold if you want. See, for example, select everything, go for bold, and then click OK. Now everything it will be bold, but it's not coming. Okay, so we will try something else. Edit, select the label, and surface elevation, center, right, everything we have. Okay, but color we can change if you want to change the color. For example, green I will take. Okay, it's not coming, right? So what we can do is select it and then edit label and then select the thing. Description. This is for name. Surface elevation. Elevation, you need to go here and you can change the size. It's already there here. Okay, this label, I think we have less option to change. The color, red color also not coming. Red. Now it became red, right? You need to select it and then you need to select the red here. Then it will come. See, now it's coming because before it was not selected. But why exclamatory coming in the sense like only for this? Yeah.
I think in edit label there's a symbol selected. Just check there.
Symbol. Symbol. No, this is for symbol. That is different. Okay. This is only for that particular label that we have selected. That's why it is different from others. That's why we are getting exclamatory. Okay. Or if you want to edit the whole label, do we have any option? We will see. Select the surface and then here you have labels, right? So I will go for select similar. So it will select everywhere and then we can go for editing. No, I think we can able to go one by one only. Or you can go here settings you can go and then you can go for a surface and surface label styles. See, if you're doing something here, it will directly change everywhere. For example, contour. Okay, we have existing label by layer. Okay, existing major label, proposed labels by layer. edit, you can go for edit, and you can do something here. Surface elevation. Okay, here it is like a color is by layer, or we can go for some other color. See, now it will change. Apply OK. This is existing label by layer. Okay, it won't come, but once you do again, it might come. We will see. Add surface label, contour multiple interval. Otherwise, you can go here also. For example, you can go for edit current selection. The same it is coming. See, the same here also you can go for, and I'm just going to add, and then first point and the second point. See, now everywhere coming red color. No, red color coming. No, the same only it's coming. Okay. Okay. In that case, like we can go here, major contour label, minor contour, user contour label style. Okay. Here I'm just going for edit current selection, and here we need to select the color or yellow color. Okay, and then apply. Okay. Now you can go for add. See, now everywhere we are getting yellow color. So even you can able to modify like that labels. So you got it right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, one thing you can go from settings, or you can able to do where from green window. So from green window, if you're not getting, then you can go here. You have options, settings, a green window, or a right click also sometimes work. Okay. Mostly this settings is the practical one. So whatever you want as the bulk edit, you can go here and you can edit the things. So it is like applicable for all the surface labels. Okay. Okay, but if you don't like you can go right click, select similar, and then we can able to delete it. So if you don't like the labels altogether, the select similar delete is good actually. Okay. So what else we have in surface? In surface, we can able to add legend. This legend we will see later after surface analysis. Okay. Okay, inquiry command, properties command, these things you know already, na? Object viewer, isolate objects, everything. So we have seen all these things.